up, you guys? Today is Saturday, June 16th, and I'm filming a what I eat in a day video for you guys. And I'm so excited about this because I haven't done one of these in a while, and I just wanted to show you guys what I eat as a typical college student. I work every day. It is the summertime, but I normally go to work, so I do eat out a lot. So I wanted to show you how you can like eat healthy and eat out and make good choices. So yes, I'm also dairy-free and gluten-free for anyone that is wondering. I also did start a food Instagram account too. I'm really into food and fitness, so go follow me on there. But without further ado, I'm just gonna get into the video and show you what I eat for breakfast. So prior to my workout, I always like to have a giant cup of water with the Vega Sport Energizer pre-workout powder, and this is like natural caffeine, so it's way better for you than coffee in the morning, and it definitely wakes me up and helps me get through my workouts 5 times faster and better. I just see so much improvement in how hard I work when I drink this, so I just stir it into my water, and then I'm going to head to Cycle Bar to go cycle for 45 minutes. So here I am walking to Cycle Bar. Once I get back from Cycle Bar, it is time for breakfast. So normally I make a protein-packed smoothie. So I'm using almond milk, maca powder, vegan protein, and then almond butter, a frozen banana, and some frozen berries. So I am just putting that all in my NutriBullet, and I use about half of the protein powder because otherwise it is way too protein chocolatey for me. So that I'm also packing spinach in because it's a really good way to get your greens. And then I'm just blending that all up, and it takes a couple shakes, but then my favorite part is adding some goji berries to the top. I'm a goji berry fanatic. So after breakfast, I went to Cycle Bar. I love Cycle Bar so much. I spin probably 2 to 3 times a week, and then I lift twice a week. So I'll do like arms one day of my lifting days, and then I'll do like butt and legs the next lifting day. But I really love to get my cardio in by doing Cycle Bar, and I feel like it's a nice balance of everything too. But if you have not tried spinning, it is so much fun. I pretty much just use my MyFitnessPal every day to track my macros because I like to be hitting the right amount of carbs, fat, and sugars, fiber, all of that kind of stuff. So I like to be hitting my right macros because that's how you get toned and lean without losing any muscle. So I like to log in all of my meals during the day, and I don't really worry about the calorie part, but I do like seeing like all of my macros, and that really helps me throughout the day on what I decide to eat for like lunch and dinner. But I normally always start off my breakfast with like the most calories and the most protein. I'm honestly so full from my smoothie still, and so I'm probably just going to wait until my work break at lunch. So I will talk to you guys then. So I just got to work like an hour ago, but I am so starving right now, so I'm just going to Whole Foods to go get a piece of vegan pizza. Their vegan pizza is seriously amazing. You guys need to try it, it's so good. But I'm gonna go get a slice of pizza from Whole Foods and then enjoy that for lunch. So I finally got my lunch from Whole Foods, and here is the vegan pizza. They always switch it up with what's on top of it, which I love because it's always something different, but today they just had a ton of veggies packed onto it, and honestly guys, you can't even taste that the cheese is vegan. It's so good. And then I normally drink a Kavita sparkling probiotic drink. It is now 5:21 and I just got home from working all day. I worked from 11 to 5, but you guys saw that I went to Whole Foods for lunch, and I also forgot to tell you guys that I drink like 3 of these a day, which is equivalent to about like 64, 70 ounces of water. But I am super hungry right now, so hungry. So I think I'm going to make some pasta and some like chicken. I'm gonna make like a pasta bowl. That sounds pretty good. So I'm gonna use the Banza chickpea shells for my pasta. I'm also going to use some chicken that I already prepped and some broccoli. But yeah, let's get to making. So now I thought I'd just speed up me making dinner because I absolutely love to cook. So I'm just heating the pasta over the stove, and then I'm actually adding the broccoli right in because I love soft broccoli and I love when it softens, and it's just a perfect way to have everything together. And then I ended up not using the chicken actually because it was a couple days old and it just didn't taste that great, so I ended up using a hard-boiled egg instead. And then I am just using vegan mayonnaise because it is dairy-free, and then I'm just chopping everything up. Okay guys, so I just finished my dinner and this is what it looks like. Oh, so delicious. So I'm going to go eat this. It has the chickpea noodles, broccoli, an egg, and I topped it with mayonnaise, and this will complete like a full day of macros. I know that's kind of maybe a weird dinner, but like I like how it all tastes together, and the egg provides protein. The chickpea noodles provide a lot of protein too, which I love about chickpea noodles and any kind of lentil noodle is that they're another source of good protein. So after dinner, I always like to have like after dinner dessert because I'm a sweets person and I have to have sweets before I go to bed. So my favorite after dinner treat is the dark chocolate 73% cacao super dark chocolate with almonds bar from Trader Joe's, and I normally just have one row, which is like 3 mini chocolate things for dessert. But this is so freaking good and I'm so excited to eat it. That is going to be it for my what I eat in a day. If you guys liked this video and want more from me, then please give this a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.